Day 3, a little mixed bag day 3, an opportunity to come up to find a dock. My fiance found one online for $400. The big deal was you had to go get it right away, and it needed a little bit of work, some of the wood replaced and stuff, and the barrel strapped up a little better. But hey, what a perfect size dock for the place we're going to have here. Then I had to do, basically just trying to clean up some of the brush and stuff, so I got a burn barrel and set that up. I dumped a bunch of gas in there to get this going. I thought I'd make a big woof and a big display, but really, it just lit up. Yeah, I had to do a little adjustments with the burn barrel because 6 got up there a little bit high, and a couple of them fell out. Of course, the grass started burning a little bit. Nothing major, but I don't have any water per se right close. I mean, there's a river, but I don't have the pump rigged up yet. So I found some of these, put them around, and I'll just keep the burn just below the barrel. Nothing big sticking up. Should be fine. Yeah, get a little visitor going by, just cruising down the river. Nice to see, little duck. Then, of course, if you're in Canada and you're near the water and you have trees, there's a good chance you're going to see a beaver. I think he was come checking out all the cutting I was doing. A little easier for him to get some wood now. And just a few little before, after kind of pictures, just where I cleaned out some of the brush there, just to show how it opened up a little bit more. And then there's a burner, it's a propane stove inside, and I lit it up. All the burners work on it. However, when I checked underneath, some of the burners were still burning underneath the cone where it's not supposed to, so we're just going to let that be. And anyway, that was pretty much day 3.